All right, welcome back. And we are very, very, very into the process of building Wall 5. Thanks for joining me today as we work towards the Wall 5 completion. I think that we may be able to finish Wall 5 today, but again, this is not a race, safety first, and I'd like to have better results than just speed being one of the outcomes. I have my cutting surface, my razor blade, sandpaper, pencil, needle nose pliers, tape measure, and some various wood pieces. My little bag of extra pieces, and some leftover 8-foot studs. This is where I cut a majority of my small blocks from if I don't have any left in the in my shorts bag right here, my little extra pieces. Oh, we'll also need the nails. So I went through a lot of nails for the last video, so I'm going to take out a few more. I like to take out only a pinch at a time. Okay, so the idea is, what's next? Okay, in the last video, I'm going to put this sandpaper to the side for now. In the last video, I ended with the headers, the placement of these headers into the space, and those look good, and those look good. That one looks good, and that one looks good. We are ready to nail from the side, 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 and side. So those are our next steps there. The next steps after that are cripple, 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 cripple. Those 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll cut all these 8 at the same time. Then we'll do the trimmers here and here, here and here. Cut all those at the same time. Then we'll move on to the fire blocks that are going throughout the space here. And we're really making good progress. So let's get going. Oh, I was going to nail in the header first. I was jumping to the next step too soon. Okay, those are secure. We're moving on to the cripples on top. I'm using the 8-foot stud for this to cut this into several different pieces. Then that's going to be 8 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's get one to the right size, and then we'll get several more once we have our master. So I like to cut one first. Get that going. Great, that's looking good. I'm going to check that in all the other spaces. Yes, that seems appropriate. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I'm happy with this, and the fastest way to get 7 more of these is I'm just going to grab these other pieces and mark off 7. So holding the piece flush from the bottom, making a mark, going to the other side, flipping it over, making a mark. That's an extra 2, so that's a total of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 more for 8. Let's get all these cut, and then we'll do the individual sanding. Okay, so to fit these in place, I'm to the side, and my pencil to the side, and I'm just trying to do a fit here. Great, all those went in very quickly. So I'm going to zoom in and get a little bit a better view of this as these all go in. Let's see if I can get in here. Nice. That's nice. I'm going to do a refocus there. Okay. Here I go. Now this, I just have to urge you to be really careful when you're holding these smaller pieces to not stick yourself with the nail. I found that just single pieces, single nails seem to work fine. There's no need to double nail these. And just make sure you are aligned with the, oh, that one's shifted on me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything seems very nice there. Okay, all the cripples are in. I'm really happy with the way that worked out. And now I'm going to go to the trimmers. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. Let's see if these pieces are long enough. Nope. About this one? Nope. What about this one? Yep, that one's long enough. I'm going to need a new bundle. I'm going to grab a new 8-foot stud bundle. And we are going through these. Boy. Just to talk about this again, these are 5 5/8 long. They represent our 8-foot studs. And so I'll need 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll need 4, and then I'm going to get the extra pieces out of here. So I'm just going to take 4 out. Just 4 out for now. Here's my 4. And then we're going to go, oh, I think I took out 1 more than I needed. That's fine. There we go. Okay, those will be going there. So we're going to go ahead and mark it here. It's a little tight. Get my sandpaper. A little tight still. There we go. Okay. So here's my quick method for getting all of these pieces cut. Hold the edge. Mark the front. Hold the edge flush, mark the front. Hold the edge flush, mark the front. Okay, that's going to make these go very quickly. So I'm just going to put that one in there. That one was cut for that specific space, although they all should be nearly identical. A little too tight, a little more sanding, perfect. A little too tight. A little sanding, got it. There we go. Nice, let's get some nails in here. I'm gonna start by going all nails in the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna do some angled nailing here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Okay, those are in. So I hope you enjoyed that close-up view, and now we're gonna have to zoom out again to be able to do the whole rest of it. I'm trying to think of like what's the fastest. Not all the fire blocks are the same, but there are a lot that are. So I will try to do those and the channel blocks, the 1-inch channel blocks next. Starting with the 1-inch channel blocks, I think that's a fast one. I'm gonna pop out these extra pieces that I used for spacers in here. Okay, so I'm going to measure with my tape some 1-inch pieces, and then I will quickly make a lot more 1-inch pieces from the first one. Well, actually, now that I'm talking it through, I actually will just be able to mark them all at once and then work through this very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need 15. 1, 2, 3. That's 4. So I'm going to get 4 out of that piece. Here we go. This feels really hard. I'm going to skip this piece for now and then go with another piece. Let's see how this one looks here. It's able to get 5 out of this one. That's 9. These pieces are less critical than other pieces because they're really not held by both ends. I just need 2 more. Okay, now it's time to cut a whole bunch of them. I'm going to keep these other small short pieces separate so they don't get confused, and I'm going to put them all right here as I cut them. This is a lot harder, so as I get my blade in, I'm going to turn it up on end and slowly rock it back and forth. I'm not in a hurry. This is something that in real life you would cut all of them at the same time also. It just makes sense to get a whole bunch of these done. So if this was a real construction project, then you would be getting all these done, having them ready to just place in. And so what I mean is, look how fast this goes. Those 3 are in. 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 So, talking about the real life construction process, then what would happen is we do a tool switch. We're switching all the tools at that point. And so I would switch from if you're using a portable circular saw, that's possible for these fast cuts. I don't see anything wrong with that. If you're using a power miter saw, that'd probably be a faster way to get these cuts. with a stop block so that you can make the cuts faster without having to measure individual lengths. And then right now we would be switching to the framing nailer. So then we would be able to nail all these in quickly. And, doing a tool change and switching in between jobs, there is some downtime there. And the longer that we can stay in one particular area with one particular tool, increases our efficiency on a build. I can already see there's going to be some issues. Let me push these down with my pencil. Some of them I did not get all the way down into place. Okay, they're all in place now, so I can get right to the nailing. Whoa, okay, so this one's gonna be too hard to get at here. I can already see that that's gonna be an issue. I'm gonna skip that one for now. Can I get this one in? I think I'm gonna go from this side. It's gonna be a little harder to push the nail all the way through, but I think that's the better move because there's just more access. There's different the tools that are made. Some tools are the different sizes. I can say for sure from DeWalt, they have a tool line called Atomic, and the Atomic tool line is not their most powerful tool line. Their Atomic tool line is their smallest tool line. That means that it's for getting into really small places. And so sometimes it's not about how powerful the tool is, it's can you actually get the tool into the right space. And so here we go. Oh, missed it. I'm glad my finger was quite a ways away when that happened. I took that out without bending it, so I'll reuse it. But if you do ever bend a nail, you're going to want to get rid of it immediately. Okay. This one also, oh no, this one I'm going to go from this side. So initially I just saw this and I got nervous. We can come from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this one, I'm actually going to take this this stud out to be able to get this to get access. Would it be a problem in real life? Hmm. I think in real life we would have more access from the other side of this. And these might be actually put up later. Like we might be standing the wall up and we might be putting these in structurally later. So you would have access from the other side. That's just my guess on that. I might as well just take this out for now. Remember to put them in horizontally, otherwise you're going to be catching the paper when you apply these nails to your channel blocks. Watch your finger. Yeah, what's up? Mm-hmm. Okay, let me end this video and then I'll bring over the other section and switch over. Mm-hmm. No problemo. Okay, we're going to stop here for the day. This is a great stopping point. And then after the channel blocks all get nailed in, then I'm going to do the fire blocks. Okay, so that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then these smallest ones that are here could take just a little drop of glue instead of a nail if they're too small and they keep splitting on you for some reason. All right.